Hey, what's up, guys? Tom back and welcome back to. Wait, let me adjust the camera. Okay, hey, what's up, guys? Tom back and welcome back to another video of well, just a video of me talking, I guess. Hi, I can see myself right there. But anyway, I don't really mean to brag. Well, there's bad news, and then there's good news as always. My brothers are being loud as heck right now, but there's good news and there's bad news. Which one do you want first? This is good, this is bad. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Pick a tiger by the toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Bad news is first. You know the iPad Minecraft series? I just tried to attempt to do a second video 4 times in a row. It just keeps lagging out. Jeez, I wish it'd be quiet. Sorry about the noise there. But it just doesn't work. It's just not working. Bad news is, there's not going to be an iPad Minecraft series. I might do building tutorials or whatever, like on creative mode every now and then or whatever. Because I'm a pretty good builder. Oh, jeez. Okay, yeah. So, that's the bad news. And, the good news is, don't tell nobody. I'm going to be doing a special video tomorrow. Wanna know why? It's my birthday tomorrow! Yeah, it really is. My birthday's December 1st. Today's November 30th, so my birthday really is tomorrow. Yeah, that's a good... So I'm excited myself, but, I'm not sure, really. I don't know why. It's just the good news for me. Nothing really of you. Bad news is... The bad news affected both of us. The good news only affected me, really. But yeah, it's my birthday, so if you want to put down in the comments, hey, happy birthday, Jonathan, what up, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to say. So Minecraft series is gone. I will be doing a Grappling and Gary episode after this, but yeah, that's really all there is to this video. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just me talking and saying news and stuff or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to show your support. I forgot. Show your support and hit that like button down below and subscribe for daily videos, and yeah, I'll see all you guys in the next video. Wait, it's kinda awkward for me to do an outro when you're not seeing my face. Isn't that awkward? I bet it is awkward to you guys. Bye.